In our work environment, it is common to use a wide range of chemical agents. This would include everything from cleaners and solvents to resins and adhesives. Some of these chemicals can have little reactivity and health risks, while others can pose serious reactivity and health hazards. Understanding the aspects of the chemical's behavior and proper handling is necessary with all chemicals you encounter. This is the basis for hazard communication. There are many terms that need to be understood when handling any substance. When you are about to use any chemical-based material, it is important that you educate yourself on all of its properties. The Hazard Communication Standard ensures that the hazards of all chemicals produced are evaluated and the information concerning these hazards is transmitted to employers and employees. Information on these hazards can be found in the Material Safety Data Sheets, or commonly referred to as MSDS. These documents hold important information in regards to the chemicals you use. This would include information about a substance's hazards, storing and handling, exposure limits, and recommended personal protective equipment. The MSDS program should have a list of hazardous chemicals in your workplace. This would also include the inventory on our service vehicles. There is a lot of information provided in these documents to these compounds that should be read and reviewed thoroughly before coming in contact and using. All chemical materials must be properly labeled. These labels identify health hazards, flammability hazards, reactivity hazards, and special hazards. Hazardous material labels also provide the identity or name of a chemical, as well as the name and address of the manufacturer, importer, or other responsible party. These labels and indicators need to be clearly visible on all chemical materials. Chemicals that have not yet been opened and in their original container may be stored in a common area. Once it has been opened or used, the remainder must be stored in a well-labeled storage area away from heat and flame. Whenever handling a chemical or substance you are unfamiliar with, be sure to review its information in the Material Safety Data Sheet, or MSDS. Substances information you use regularly should be reviewed on a regular basis in case there is any new data. Always wear the proper personal protective equipment and always handle chemicals with respect and care.